Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of camera lenses with the Canon RF 24-50mm F4.5-6.3 STM. This lens joins the RF lens library as the smallest and cheapest zoom with full frame coverage. But does it live up to its promises? Stick around to find out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. The Canon RF 24-50mm F4.5-6.3 STM is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your camera bag without weighing you down. Its retractable design adds to its portability, and at just 2.3 by 2.7 inches and 7.4 ounces, it's one of the smallest zooms for full-frame cameras. The lens construction is consumer-grade, using polycarbonate material similar to high-end options. However, it lacks dust and splash protection, which might be a concern for some photographers. The plastic mount is sturdy enough for the lightweight optics, but it's worth noting that Canon's consumer-grade lenses usually come with metal bayonets. On-barrel controls are minimal, with just 2 rings and 2 switches. The mechanical zoom ring sets the focal length, and the manual focus ring serves as a multi-function control. The autofocus is quick, quiet, and accurate thanks to the STM motor. The lens also features optical stabilization, providing up to 7 stops of stabilization on certain camera models. In terms of image quality, the lens performs well with a high-resolution sensor, providing good resolution near the center and mid parts of the frame. However, the corners can be a bit muddy at wide angles, and sunstars appear soft even at the minimum aperture. The macro capabilities of the RF 24-50mm are modest, with a reproduction ratio of 1:5.3 at its closest focus distance. For better macro performance, you might want to consider the RF 24-105mm F4.5-6.3 STM, which offers a 1:2 magnification ratio. In conclusion, the Canon RF 24-50mm F4.5-6.3 STM is a compact and affordable option for full-frame EOS R cameras. Its lightweight design and decent image quality make it a good choice for casual photography. However, the limited zoom range and maximum aperture may not meet the needs of all photographers. And that's our review of the Canon RF 24-50mm F4.5-6.3 STM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more camera and lens reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.